Nokia company is a very old, or great smartphone manufacturing company, which used to make many great smartphones. You must have heard the name of Nokia 6600 phone, which was very much discussed in its time, and people liked it the most. Now its updated version is ready to enter the market, with 5G SIM support. Its name is going to be Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G. In this phone you are going to get a powerful battery of 7000 mAh, with a 200 megapixel DSLR camera. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this unique smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G. If we talk about the display of the mobile, then you will get to see a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, which comes with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Additionally, you get to see a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz. Camera setup. Now talking about the camera quality of the mobile, you have been given a great 200 megapixel DSLR camera in this smartphone. And for taking selfie photos, a 32 megapixel selfie shooter camera is available. Operating system. Talking about the operating system of the mobile, you will get to see Android 15 operating system in it. And talking about the processor of this mobile, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 5G processor will be seen in it. Battery backup. If we talk about battery backup of this mobile, then you get to see a powerful battery of 7000 mAh in this smartphone, which also supports 85-watt fast charging, which will come with Type-C charging socket. Price or launch date. If we talk about the price of the mobile, it is being said that the price of this mobile can be around $250 in the world market. However, the exact price will be known after the arrival of the mobile. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now.